Welcome to Math, Science and Me. Today we are going to study reflection symmetry. Let us take the example here. Let us take this figure. If I fold this figure along this line, we get two figures which looks exactly the same. Similarly, if I take this figure and fold this figure along this line, and we get two figures and that looks exactly the same. See, it fit exactly one another. Okay, that is here. We can see here that if I fold this along this line, it fit exactly one another. That is this one. Okay, this is called symmetry, and the line on which we fold is called axis of symmetry. Here vertical line we folded, that is why it's called vertical axis of vertical line of symmetry, and this figure has a vertical line of symmetry. Similarly, we fold this figure along the horizontal line, that is we call it as this figure as a horizontal line of symmetry. Each of these figures has one line of symmetry. Now the question is whether the figure has two lines of symmetry. The answer is yes. Figure has more than one line of symmetry. Let us take that type of figures. Okay. Now let us take this figure. This is rectangle. Rectangle opposite sides are same. That is, this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. So if I fold this rectangle along this line, both the sides, both the parts will be same. Okay, both the parts look the same. Similarly, if I fold this rectangle along this line also, both the parts look the same. Okay, that is why rectangle has two lines of symmetry. One is vertical line of symmetry and the one is horizontal line of symmetry. Okay, now let us see some more figures which has more than two lines of symmetry. Let us go to this figure now. This is square. All of you know square, all the four sides of the squares are equal. Here this side is this side and this side are this side, all are equal. Okay, if I fold the square along this line, both the sides look the same. And similarly, if I fold this line along this line, both the parts look the same. Similarly, I can fold the square along this line also. This is called diagonal symmetry. Then also both the parts look the same. Similarly, I can fold this line along this diagonal. There also both the parts look the same. This is called diagonal symmetry, and a square has four lines of symmetry. Now the question is whether rectangle has a diagonal of symmetry. Answer is no. Rectangle does not have any diagonal symmetry, because let's see here. This is a rectangle, the same rectangle which I am folding along the diagonal. It will not fit one another. Both the sides, both the parts will not fit one another exactly. So we can say that rectangle does not have any diagonal symmetry. Okay, now the question is, can a figure has more than one or two, four lines of symmetry? Yes. This is a figure circle. We can fold the circle in any angles. Throughout the diagonals we can fold it, and we will get, it has got a many lines of symmetry. So we can fold this along this, we get both the parts look the same and exactly fitted one another. Similarly, we can fold along this line, we can fold along this line, we can fold along this line. So circle has many lines of symmetry. Okay. Similarly, if I take one more figure, oval has two lines of symmetry. One is a vertical and the one is horizontal. Okay. Similarly, you can take other polygons, whereas a pentagon, regular pentagon has 5 lines of symmetry. Similarly, hexagon has 6 lines of symmetry, and octagon has 8 lines of symmetry. Let us take some alphabets. Alphabet A has 1 line of symmetry. Similarly, alphabet H has 2 lines of symmetry. Similarly, you can go through the other alphabets. Okay, this is called reflection symmetry, because it finds it, you are getting the mirror image of this. See, this is a mirror image of this, and this acts like a mirror. Okay, so similarly, nature also has some symmetrical things. We have here a butterfly which has got 1 line of symmetry. Thank you. If you find this video informative, please do like, subscribe and share.